Good afternoon, folks. Mike Wells, your World Explorer. Right now, we're going to take a look at these Seminole pumpkins. Okay. So far, we see a survival ratio of 3 out of the 12 that germinated. That's kind of crazy, considering that this is supposed to be some type of a magical species, a native that is resilient in this really trashy soil. What I see too here is poor leaves. As far as the greening of the leaves, it's very light, and they look very sad, you know, considering that it rained really good yesterday. So I'm thinking that what's going on, it's possible that the root boring nematode is having its way with this Seminole pumpkin. Either that, or the Seminole pumpkin does not do well in the sun. So I am going to start a test group going forward in a dappled light location. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe, as that helps the channel out quite a bit. And stay tuned, as I'll keep you updated on the progress of these Seminole pumpkins. Have a great day.